हेलो स्टूडेंट, आई एम डॉक्टर पारमिता बासु फ्रॉम की आर्ट एंड डिजाइन। इस चैनल में हम लोग एक नया सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। तो मुझे लगता है ये स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि करंट अफेयर्स के बहुत टाइप के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं। तो किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस करंट अफेयर में आ सकते हैं, तो हम लोगों ने थोड़े से एनालाइज करके एक सीरीज बना रहे हैं। मैं और मेरी टीम मिलके ये वाला वीडियो बनाया है और हर वीक आपको ये लेके आऊंगी। स्टूडेंट्स, चलिए देखते हैं।
So question number 1. What is the theme of campaign undertaken during World Antimicrobial Awareness Week 2021? And your options are A. Infection control, B. Go blue, C. Overusing antimicrobials, D. Antimicrobial surveillance. And the answer is Go blue. As you know, the World Health Organization (WHO) has declared the antimicrobial resistance (AMR) as one of the top 10 global health threats. This year, during the World Antimicrobial Awareness Week, November 18 to 24, Go Blue campaign aims to raise awareness on AMR. Antimicrobial resistance occurs when microbes such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites don't respond to medicines, which makes infection difficult to treat. Question number 2. Which Indian state has launched the Mother on Campus initiative to improve academic performance of students? And your options are Assam, Tripura, Gujarat, Odisha. And the answer is Tripura. The Tripura Education Department had launched the Mother on Campus initiative to improve academic performance of students. Here, biological or legally authenticated mothers can stay with their children on campus to induce a sense of security among children and to benefit the academic performance of the children. Mothers of children staying in state-run hostels and boarding schools in Tripura can now stay with the kids. Question number 3. Which country is set to host the UN Climate Change Conference COP27 in 2022? And your options are India, China, USA, Egypt. The answer is Egypt. The United Nations Climate Change Conference of Parties 27 would be hosted by Egypt in the year 2022 and COP28 would be hosted by United Arab Emirates UAE in 23. The COP is the decision-making body of United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC). The convention has 197 parties and is striving to achieve the goals set out in the 2015 Paris Agreement on Climate Change. Question number 4. AppScale Academy is an initiative by which tech giant is in association with the MITI Startup Hub? And your options are Yahoo, Twitter, Facebook, or Google. And your answer is Google. The tech major Google has partnered with the MITI Startup Hub to launch AppScale Academy, which aims to help Indian startups to create high-quality apps. The initiative of Google would specifically cater to the need to local, early to mid-stage startups in India and to support them to create applications in domains like gaming, education, social impact, healthcare, etc. Question number 5. Ganana Sekaran, Satya and Harmeet Desai, who were in the news recently, are associated with which sport? And your options are tennis, table tennis, swimming, archery. And the answer is table tennis. Ganana Sekaran Satya and Harmeet Desai claimed the World Table Tennis Contender title in Tunisia. It was their first dual doubles title, both individually and together, and they haven't played doubles together since the 2018 Commonwealth Games. Satya is world number 24th single player, which is also the best rank in India has ever achieved, and Desai is currently at 73rd rank. Question number 6. Manu Bhandari, who passed away recently, was associated with which field? And your options are sports, literature, politics, or business. answer is literature. Mannu Bhandari, a famous author in Hindi literature, passed away recently at the age of 90. She is the author of classic works such as Mahabodh and Aapka Banti. Some of her most famous works include Ye Sach Hai, Ek Inch Muskaan and Hum, and stories for children like Aanko Dekha Jhoot, Asmata and Kalawa. She published her autobiography in the title Ek Kahani Ye. She received several prominent literary awards in the country including Vyas Samman. Question number 7. Merhaba Luang Mesam, who was seen in the news recently, is associated with which sport? And your options are chess, badminton, tennis, weightlifting. And the answer is badminton. Indian Mesam Merhaba created history by becoming the champion on debut at the Yonex Latvia International Future Series Badminton Tournament in Jelgava. The 4-day tour journey was organized by Latvian Badminton Federation with the support of Badminton World Federation (BWF). 18-year-old Mesanam Merhaba clinched the title in his first ever senior international tournament. Question number 8. Who has been awarded the Bella Turtle Conservation Award? And your options are Joseph L. Goldstein, Shailendra Singh, Richard Dawkins, Priyambada Mohante Hidmati. And the answer is Shailendra Singh. Indian biologist Shailendra Singh has been awarded the Bella Turtle Conservation Award for bringing 3 critically endangered turtle conservation species back from the brink of extinction. The award has been bestowed by several global bodies involved in turtle conservation such as Turtle Surveillance Alliance, IUCN, SSC, Tortoise and Freshwater Turtle Specialist Group, Turtle Conservancy and the Turtle Conservation Fund. Question number 9. Which organization conducted a virtual meet with Germany to promote export of fresh fruits and vegetables from India? And your options are A. ECDC, B. Exim Bank, C. EPEDA, D. NABARD. And the answer is EPEDA. Agriculture and Processed Food Product Export Development Authority, which is also known as EPEDA, had organized a virtual meeting with importers from Germany to promote export of fresh fruits and vegetables from India. The event was organized in collaboration with Indian Embassy in Germany and German Agribusiness Alliance. EPEDA is an apex body under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry which regulates export of agricultural products in India. Question number 10. The Supreme Court has upheld that GST shall be imposed on which type of goods appearing as actionable claims? And your options are lottery, medicine, vaccine, two-wheeler. And the answer is lottery. The Supreme Court on Thursday upheld that the goods and service tax GST shall be imposed on the sale of lotteries, betting and gambling. The bench also highlighted that the GST Act 2017 defines the good to include actionable claims and include only 3 categories of such claims, namely lottery, betting and gambling. To leave GST, actionable claim is a claim for a debt related to any benefit from unpossessed movable property and for which relief can be claimed in civil court.
मुझे लगता है ये करंट अफेयर बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होगा आपके लिए। सो जो भी ये वीडियो देख रहा है वो लाइक और शेयर जरूर कीजिए, और जो भी फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे चैनल में आया है वो हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। नेक्स्ट करंट अफेयर और भी सारे न्यू वीडियो के लिए हमारा चैनल फॉलो करते रहिए, और फिर मिलती हूँ मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। बाय फॉर टुडे।